Welcome everyone! Today we'll guide you through the quick setup and usage of your new glasses. First, download the Hearview app from the App Store or Google Play. Okay, now open it. Allow the Bluetooth connection and then logged in. Click the Connect button. Press and hold the button on the left side of the glasses for about 2 seconds until you see the blue light flashing. On homepage, you can check their battery level and adjust the subtitle brightness and size. Then there's voice to text, allows you to see real-time captions during conversations. And with live subtitles, you can also get captions on the edge of your phone screen while you're watching videos. When there's a lot of background noise detection can alert you. By turning on speaker segmentation, you can distinguish between different people speaking. Well, you can also find more information and the user guide in the User Center. Thanks for choosing Hearview. If you need any help, just reach out to our support team.